Crisis in Ipob camp as Nnamdi Kanu seeks the immediate replacement of his senior lawyer. I greet everyone in the house. It's a pleasure meeting you once again this very afternoon. This is the Lord TV. Yes, we have decided that it's not just going to be morning and evening broadcast, but we will do our best to be giving you afternoon broadcast as well. In this very broadcast, it has been revealed to us of Nnamdi Kanu's next agenda after he discovered this from his lawyer. He has demanded that his senior lawyer be replaced with immediate effect, saying that they are not working enough for his immediate release. So the Ipob leader is seeking for a replacement, while he's saying that it's not ideal that he's still in detention till this very moment. Let's check the content, my dear listeners. This is morning news. Bearing any last-minute change, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, will replace one of his most senior lawyers, as he has concluded plans to relieve him of his duties for poor handling of his trial. Kanu is reportedly angry that despite his alleged incarceration for no crime, the said lawyer has not been able to secure his release from the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. Credible sources who spoke the leadership on Friday on the new development said Kanu had expressed worry that his lawyers were not doing enough to represent him well and were only interested in his money. Recently, a leadership crisis rocked the legal team as he continued his terrorism case with the federal government. Leadership Friday had reported exclusively that Kanu has expressed worry over seemingly clash in his legal team over who is to lead the council in order to succeed at the courts in the ongoing terrorism case with the federal government. The embattled Ipob leader also expressed worry that the infighting within the legal team has prevented the team from presenting a formidable case. This had come after Kanu's American lawyer Bruce Fräùd had written to Ifeanyi Ejiofor, a member of Kanu legal team, urging him to immediately refrain from representing the Ipob leader. In the letter, Fräùd noted that Ejiofor was not eligible to defend Kanu against the Nigerian government amended charges in the court, citing a pending lawsuit instituted by a businessman against Ejiofor over an alleged fraud of 5.6 million. Part of the letter has been read. All right, my people. Nnamdi Kanu is working towards a replacement. It's good. It's good anyway, because the lawyers, I don't really know, they all supposed to have been able to do something concerning this situation, but it shows that they are not working hard enough, despite the Ipob leader not traced with any crime. Okay, now he has won in the court. What effort have they been able to put up for President Buhari to concur or succumb? Because Buhari cannot just be keeping Nnamdi Kanu in prison when even the law itself is in support of Nnamdi Kanu's release. You see that? So that is why the Ipob leader is paranoiding. That's why it's paranoiding. If you're the one, you will do the same. And that's just the truth. So my people, I would say that this is very, very colossal and very, very annoying, because Nnamdi Kanu, despite paying so huge and heavy sum to have this caliber of lawyers, is still very much in detention. It's not encouraging in any way. So pending when Nnamdi Kanu makes up his mind, I will say that his lawyers should still move on. You understand? Yes, they should still move on pending when Nnamdi Kanu succeed in getting a change. And then I would still like to talk to Nnamdi Kanu to watch very well before making these decisions, because lawyers of nowadays, not all are good. Not all are good. Let him not go and get the ones that will betray him and then start liaising with the federal government. So you should be very, very watchful in that very moment. All right, let's quickly hear from you and let's know what your take, what's your opinion, and what the idea or advice on all that has just been reviewed right now. Maybe don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.